Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete transaction history on Palmpay. Palmpay offers a robust transaction history feature providing users with a comprehensive record of their financial activities. This feature allows users to effortlessly track, review, and analyze their transactions, ensuring transparency and control over their financial data. Have you ever wondered how to manage your Palmpay transaction history? Whether you are looking to delete, clear, or manage your transaction history, you have come to the right place. In this guide, we will show you how to delete transaction history on Palmpay, clear Palmpay transaction history, and manage your transaction records effectively. Ready to take control of your financial data? Let's dive in. To delete a transaction history on the Palmpay app, follow these steps. First of all, open the Palmpay app and log into your account. After login, go to the Transfers and Payments section from the bottom. Then select the transaction that you want to delete from the Palmpay app. Click on the three dot in Now click on the three dots in the top right corner. Now click on the trash icon. Now your transaction is successfully deleted from the Palmpay app. One more method to delete your transaction history on Palmpay, you can contact support by going to your profile, clicking the customer service icon and then clicking the chat feature. You can then request to delete your transaction history. And that's it. Thanks for watching.